Guys, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS is hiding a secret that will blow your mind. While everyone is talking about its engine and tech-packed interior, there's something even crazier on the outside. In this video, we're going to uncover the futuristic design and hidden features that make this Impala SS the most aggressive and stylish sedan Chevrolet has ever built. So, stay tuned, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on more exciting automotive content. Let's dive in. Starting at the front, the Impala SS commands attention with its razor-sharp LED headlights seamlessly integrated into the sculpted hood. The signature blacked-out grille, featuring a reimagined Chevrolet bow tie emblem, enhances the vehicle's aggressive demeanor. Air intakes are now larger and more functional, channeling airflow to optimize both performance and cooling. The sharp angles and deep creases on the hood are not just for aesthetics. They play a vital role in aerodynamics, reducing drag while giving the Impala a race-ready stance. Moving to the rear, the Impala SS continues to push boundaries with a sleek, modern approach. The LED taillight bar stretches across the entire width, creating a striking visual signature, especially at night. The quad exhaust system, now integrated into a menacing rear diffuser, hints at the car's high-performance capabilities. The subtle rear spoiler isn't just for show. It actively enhances downforce, keeping the car planted at high speeds. Chevrolet has clearly drawn inspiration from both muscle cars and European sports sedans, blending them into an unparalleled masterpiece. One of the most surprising new features is the Active Aero System, an innovation that adjusts the front and rear aerodynamics based on speed and driving conditions. This hidden gem significantly improves stability and efficiency, a feature typically reserved for high-end supercars. Another unique addition is the Illuminated Logo Projection, where the Chevrolet emblem subtly glows in low-light conditions, adding a futuristic touch to an already high-tech exterior. In terms of materials, Chevrolet has incorporated more lightweight carbon fiber elements to improve performance and fuel efficiency. The hood, side skirts, and rear diffuser all utilize this premium material, reducing overall weight without compromising structural integrity. Additionally, the new adaptive LED lighting system automatically adjusts brightness and beam patterns based on road conditions, ensuring maximum visibility in all driving environments. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS isn't just a redesign, it's a revolution. By merging aggressive styling with groundbreaking features, Chevrolet has redefined what a modern muscle sedan should be. The combination of sharp aesthetics, innovative aerodynamics, and advanced materials makes this Impala SS a true showstopper. For those who crave power and presence, this is the ultimate ride to watch out for in 2026.